Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy C Will back to you with another video. I know you've been trying to figure out where have I been, but if you've been following me on social media, I have a lot going on this year. But we actually getting back into it. I got a lot of new stuff, and we're going to talk about it a little bit here today. So first things first, I definitely want to talk about. I picked this bad boy up. This is the FX30. I know you probably was thinking this was a FX3. It's not. It's a FX30. And this is a APS-C Super 35. And I picked this up to complement my A7 IV because I switched from Canon to Sony. And yeah, this is like, this along with A7 IV is probably one of the best pickups I did this year. I had the opportunity to do some video work recently, and I'm definitely stepping more into that realm. The lens that I have on here is actually a Canon lens. This is the Sigma 18 to 35. And I know I'm talking like a bunch of camera stuff, but 1.8 aperture. I actually have this on an MC11. You know, it's just an adapter that allows you to be able to adapt Canon lens to, you know, which is EF, to a Sony lens, which is the E mount. And this thing here is absolutely phenomenal. So I got a full review that's going to be coming up on this and also the A7 IV. I'm being able to use both for, well, A7 IV for photography and video, and this is specifically for video, but this also actually takes pictures, which is astonishing. I do have a small rig cage that's on this. I also have a small rig cage that's on the A7 IV that I'm recording on right now. And let me know what you think about the quality of the video. I'm using I just got it. It's a Sigma 1.4 35 millimeter lens on the A7 IV. Got the creamy background. Yeah. And as you can see, I'm also in a different area, not in the same studio. That's what I have going on with that. And I also have, now I know I've showed this once before. You know what this is. This is the AMD RX 9070 XT. I still have not unboxed this thing. So I got an unboxing video and we're going to do an install. Definitely going to do a dedicated build just for AMD because I don't want to be switching back with drivers and all this stuff. And going to be doing some comparison between that and the 5090. And also the 4090. So that content is actually coming out really, really soon. Matter of fact, I think this is probably going to be my next video after this one. Getting it set up, we got some new games and stuff that's coming out. I mean, speaking of games, I know there's been a lot about, if you catch me on social media, you know, I just got PS5 Pro. Yeah. So got this not too long ago. With that being said, I know it's been a lot about physical media and Sony's been tripping, but at the end of the day, I mean, what you gonna do? Still got this for very specific reasons, you know, games that don't come out on PC, like the Wolverine game that's coming up, and there's been like some mixed reviews and stuff that's on that. I got a video that's going to be coming out about that as well because I am really hoping that some of the clips and stuff that I've been seeing about the Wolverine game, I hope it's not true. It seems like, I don't know if it's the acting or writing, the Wolverine that we know and love from the comics and from the old cartoons and stuff like that may not be the same. Crossing my fingers on that, but I'm still going to pick that game up. I think it comes out next month, if I'm not mistaken. We got GTA 6 that's going to be coming out real soon, and yeah, it's just a lot. And so, oh, Marvel tokens. I'm thinking about picking that up on PC, so I got some content that's going to be coming up on that soon. And matter of fact, I think that may be my next video before I do the RX 9070 XT. But I'm definitely going to show you what build I'm putting in. I got to get another processor, and also I think that's it. I just need another processor. I got everything else for that all AMD build. And I may pick up a 7800 X3D or 9800 X3D. I'm not 100% sure just yet, but that's going to be coming out. And so, yeah, I got a bunch of content. I got some Mac stuff. I upgraded my MacBook Pro. I expanded the storage and stuff that's on that. I had an M3, now I got the M5 Max. It's been a lot. So I got some reviews and stuff that I got to do on that because that thing is an absolute powerhouse. And comparing that up against the other two systems that I have that I also use for editing and stuff like that. Got some live streaming stuff that's going to come up. So I got a schedule that's going to be coming up on that too. Got an actual podcast that I'm going to be doing on a completely separate channel. So that's coming up. So I just want to just let y'all know, hey, I appreciate y'all for sticking through, still staying subscribed. But I promise you I got some new content that's going to be coming. And we're going to take things to a whole nother level. So make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you receive all my notifications. And let's make the rest of this 2026. Let's get it.